Hi guys, so we're gonna be learning how to make an avatar using the website Voki. So I'm gonna walk you through the steps. So first you're going to go to Voki.com. Once that loads, you're gonna scroll down to Creator and select It's Free in the orange. So you're gonna click It's Free. You're going to wait for it to load. Once it loads, you're going to personalize your avatar. There are a ton of choices on the kind of characters you can select. Some of them, the ones that have the star, you have to pay for. So select one that doesn't have a star. You can change the hair, the clothes. You can switch different backgrounds. If you want more help on how to personalize your avatar, you can click the question mark on the right side and it can walk you through how to customize it. After you've selected the one you want, this is the one I want, but with red lips. You're going to go to the little speaker here at the bottom, and then this is where you're going to either type your message. You're able to also record using your microphone. You're able to make a phone recording, or you can upload an audio that you've previously recorded. So in this case, I'm going to write text. So I'm going to make my avatar say my name. So I'm going to say hola, me llamo Juan.
It's a Mexican Jamie.
And then here you can change the language that the avatar will speak in. We want Spanish. It is at the bottom. And then you can change the accent. So we're gonna do Javier with a, actually there's a Juan, perfect. So that sounds great to me. So then I'm going to click save. Oh no. So this one's a premium character, so don't do that. I'm gonna select a free one. This one looks great. So I'm going to try again. Click save. I'm going to name it Juan. Click save. And then here's where you create your avatar. You don't need to log in. So you're going to click no thanks, continue as guest. And then you're going to share the link with me. And that's how you create your avatar.